Hello everyone, welcome back. So guys, in the previous session, we have discussed about how we can remove the duplicate values from our data. In our today's session, we'll be talking about how we can trim white spaces from our data. As you can see in this data, we have white spaces, and if we want to remove the white spaces, whether it is on the left side of your data, left hand side of your data, or whether it is on right hand side of your data, how we can do that? First of all, let's understand it's important that why it is important to remove white spaces. Suppose, let's say if this is any cell where I want to write a name. Okay, and based on this name, I want to find the employee ID of that person. Okay, so for that, I'm just writing a formula of XLOOKUP. In our upcoming sessions, we will be briefly discussing about XLOOKUP, but as of now, I'm just writing a formula that I want to look up this name. This name would be found over here, and based on these names, return these value. If I close it, if I press enter right now because name is not available, suppose if I try to write Austin Vo. Okay, so let me just select this, and instead of this, I'll write Austin Vo. If I write this, it still says not available. Why? Because Austin Vo has two white spaces in front of it. And okay, I haven't written the correct spelling as well. So let me just fix the spelling. Still, it doesn't give us the answer. But what if I provide two white spaces in front of it? As soon as I provide two white spaces in front of it, and now if I press enter, it would give me the employee ID of that person. So because the format is incorrect over here, therefore we are not getting the correct data, because we don't know we have to put two spaces in the front or in the back. We don't know that. So that's why it's important to remove white spaces. So for that, what I'll do, I'll just choose this column, or we can create a new column over here, and let's write trim. For trim, we will be passing the text over here, and let's press enter. Now again, if I drop this down, this is the new text. Again, I'm changing the formula over here. There, let's say some name is given. Okay, here I'm writing XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP lookup value is this. These are the values, comma, and we need to return this on the basis of these lookup values. If I press enter right now, not available. But now if I write Austin Vo, the same name. Okay, Austin Vo. And now it's giving us the value. Why? Because this format is fixed now. So it is very important to remove white spaces from your data, and in order to remove white spaces from your data, we have a function called as trim, which allows us to remove the white spaces from our data. So in our next session, we will be discussing about column formats, and that will be the end of this module. After that, we will be starting a completely new module which will be based on function. So stay connected guys, and I'll see you in the next session where we will be discussing about how we can fix our column formats in Excel.